Do you think travel is only for the rich? Well, you're wrong. Here are 5 stunning countries you can visit for less than £40 a day. Number 1, Vietnam. You can get street food for as little as £1, £8 hostels, and some of the best coffee in the world. And it's probably the cheapest too. But a quick travel hack, guys. Cheap countries are great, but online scams are everywhere. That's why I always use NordVPN when booking hotels or buying bus tickets abroad. It keeps my card details safe, and I can even access websites that might be blocked locally. Number 2, Bolivia. For salt flats and mountains on a backpacker budget, Bolivia is one of the cheapest places to go, and you don't have to be rich to do it. Number 3, Georgia, with £5 meals and amazing wine as well, just to let you know on that one. So what are you even waiting for? Maybe go to Georgia this year. Number 4, Indonesia. Indonesia outside Bali is insanely cheap. Now, a lot of people do say Bali is cheap, but and it is, right? But outside of Bali, in the rest of Indonesia, it is so much more cheaper. Number 5, Romania. Europe's budget castle destination, guys. If you want to go to Romania, trust me, you don't need to be rich. So you see, you don't need to be rich to explore the world. There are loads of countries, more than I have just listed as well, that are so cheap and affordable for you to go this year. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe as well. It really helps me out and helps developing this channel. So guys, to more videos, to more trips, to more tips, to more hacks. Let's get it, guys. Make sure to subscribe. Let's go.